The rising number of flu cases is leading local hospitals to adapt. Unity Point Health is now strongly suggesting those who work with patients wear a mask. Local 5's Alex Fulton is looking into the latest numbers for us tonight. Alex.
Well, Stephanie, CDC data shows Iowa currently has a very high level of influenza activity. In fact, about 38% of PCR tests were positive for the flu the week of February 8th. That's according to the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services.
So the University of Iowa is seeing a lot of inpatients.
Both Iowa Healthcare
It has been incredibly busy recently with influenza A.
and Unity Point Health are reporting high numbers of flu cases, including hospitalizations. No one is immune, and people both young and old are being hospitalized. Unity Point nurse practitioner Janae Brown says that lower vaccination rates could be a contributing factor.
I feel like this year I've had more hesitancy towards immunizations than I've had in the past. And I don't know if people are getting exhausted of all the shots or what's going on there.
This graph from the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services shows only about 27% of Iowans ages 6 months to 8 years have gotten vaccinated this season. That's almost 30% lower than the 2020-2021 season. Dr. John Rovers with the Iowa Public Health Association stresses that it's not too late to receive a flu vaccine.
If you do come down with something serious like flu, what they'll do is the flu that you come down with is going to be less serious. You're less likely to wind up in the hospital. You're less likely to die.
Medical professionals say that message is especially important to remember because flu season is far from over.
Despite it feeling like everybody around us has already gotten sick, we still have the tail end of the season to look forward to.
The flu vaccine takes 2 weeks to become effective, which is another reason why doctors recommend getting it sooner rather than later. Flu vaccination rates for Iowans ages 9 to 17 are also down this year. So far, about 18% of that age group has gotten vaccinated compared to close to 37% in the 2020-2021 season. Stephanie.